So this is part two of a three-part for now series in some tech tips to organize our notes for science class. What I'm going to show you right now is how to add these links in your table of contents so that you can click from one spot and immediately go to another place in your science notebook. This is going to be really helpful because this document can get really, really long. So I'm hoping that we'll be able to keep our table of contents up to date and so that I can easily navigate within people's notebooks and you can as well. Let's get started. All right. What I have here are two notes that we took, and I actually provided students with these notes, but then we didn't get to it. So I went ahead and crossed that out. If you'd like to do the same thing in your notebook, what you can do is highlight this text and go to Format, Text, and click Strike Through. Okay, I have the date here, and then this is an avid thing. This is called Wicker strategies, and I'd eventually like to get to the point where we can be identifying what strategy we're using for each of these tasks. We haven't gotten there yet, so we're going to be leaving this column blank. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and navigate to my very last one that I have on here, and then I'm going to show you how to do it for the next one. Okay, so here's our introduction to the Skill Growth Project. What I will do is I will highlight this, this text. I'm going to go to Insert and go all the way down to this thing that says Bookmark here. You'll know you did it right if this blue thing pops up. Now, while I have that highlighted, I'm going to go ahead and copy that text so that I can bring that up to my table of contents. And I'll click on this next row here, and I'm going to paste that in, Control V. All right, obviously it's really big. It doesn't fit our formatting. Let's fix that. I'll highlight all of this. I'm going to remove that bookmark. I'm going to move up here and change that alignment. And then I'm going to go ahead and make it, I don't know if it's size 11 or size, that looks great to me. Okay, now it's highlighted. Perfect. I will go to Insert. Now I'm going to go to Link. Click on that. Oops, excuse me. You will have these problems as well, so watch as I struggle with this. Okay, go to Insert, Link, click on Link, and now I'm going to go to Bookmarks. I can scroll down here and I can see Introduction to Skill Growth Project, Introduction to Skill Growth, perfect, click there, and Apply. Now this will send me all the way down there when I click on that. Please don't forget to add the date to this as well, but that is how you do it. I would really like it if you can go through your interactive notebook and add our bookmarks and links for our philosophical chairs, Art for Skill Growth as well. So your notebook will be all up to date. Families, parents, if you are watching, the notebook should have everything all the way up to this page right here. Students should have completed steps 1, 2, and 3 at this point, and this is September 30th today. Okay, I hope that that's helpful. Again, if you need any reminders, just go back and review this video about how to add bookmarks and then add your links to the table of contents. That way you won't have to keep doing this kind of scrolling. Okay, have fun.